Hey guys, today, very simple tutorial, how to add text to a video. I know it's very newbie stuff, but even people who are new have to learn somewhere. So what we do is, you can just press T and just drag and just put hello. Or like the other one, welcome. So we've added welcome. You press V on the so now we've done that, we can move it wherever we want. We can say, have it here. We can even use these to move it. If you want to use that, or that one, maybe scale it. Or as I said, you can just do it here. It's up to you which way, it's always preference. We can change the text. Let's find something nice. Let's say that we can. What we can do then, we go down, we can change the color, make it black, red, back to white. We can change its position by clicking these. It's very simple stuff to do. And we can make it bold, but it already looks bold anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So if I change the text to something not bold, then make it bold. Again, you see? That's it really. Then we can say, move it here. Then we can say, right, we'll move it about here. Then we press play. It will just appear. I'm not liking the size of it, so if we just make it a little bit bigger. What we can do then is click on the thing, click on the font, go to effects controls, and then this is our little, and then this is how much the video is for welcome. So if we go back to start, and if we click on opacity and click make a keyframe and drop the opacity down to 0, bring it up to about here, about here. Click keyframe, bring the opacity back up, go along to about here, make a keyframe, and then go to here, make another keyframe, and drop that down to 0. What would happen then is it will come in really nice, and then go. Simple. There you go, you've now added text to your video. You've done a nice little slow transition in, a nice little slow transition out, and it looks a lot better than what it was. So don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos, and if you have anything you want to ask me, or you want to show me the videos, your very first video you did in Premiere Pro with your first little ad text, then link me below and I'll check them out. Thanks.